Mahajanpadas. The Buddhist, Jain and the Vedic literature mentions 16 Mahajanpadas that emerged by 6th century BC. These were Magadha, Avanti, Kosala, Vatsa, Kuru, Malla, Chedi, Kashi, Anga, Vajji, Panchala, Matsya, Surasena, Asmaka, Kamboja, and Gandhara. Some of these Mahajanpadas were formed as a result of the invasion and control over smaller Janpadas. The most powerful Mahajanpadas were Magadha, Kosala, Vatsa and Avanti. Of all these kingdoms, Magadha emerged the strongest. Administration in Mahajanpadas. Let us now discuss administration in Mahajanpadas. To protect the large territory, a big standing army was maintained by the kings. Soldiers were given regular salaries in the form of coins like punched mark coins or karshapana. Settled life and stable agriculture led to the production of surplus which the king collected as taxes. The king acquired the right to collect taxes in order to maintain the army, to carry on the administration, to build fort, and to create public welfare utilities like roads, wells and canals, rest houses, etc. From the farmers, taxes collected were about 1/6 of their produce. The craftsmen gave taxes in kind, that is, they had to render services to the state free of cost. Similarly, the herders and hunter-gatherers paid the king in kind. The taxes were probably deposited with an officer called Sangrihitri.